What's going on today, my fellow YouTubians? Today I'm going to be showing you beautiful people how to save your PDF file inside of Photoshop or your multi-page PDF file in Photoshop. Assuming that you may have already edited a single page inside of Photoshop, that's where we're going to be starting. In this case, what I did is I just have this open. I just put a big blank white box over everything to spare them a little bit of my client's privacy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go up to File at the very top left. We're going to go over to Open. And we're going to open this test PDF or whatever you named your PDF file. You're going to have to locate to it, open it up, now freeze. In this case, this is in fact the PDF file that I'm going to be saving. Whatever your PDF file is, if you were anything like me, you may have just opened up a single page to edit, because like me, you knew what page needed to be edited, and now you just selected that and then clicked OK at the bottom. However, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the very last page, hold down the Shift button, and then click on the very first page. And then hit OK at the bottom, because this way we have all of our pages selected and we're going to open them up all in Photoshop to save very quickly and efficiently. Alright, so to spare a little bit of my client's privacy, I went ahead and just blacked this one out. And basically this blackout would be the original PDF that you went ahead and edited. So in this case, all you're going to do is click on the X button for this certain Photoshop file. You're going to click no, you're not going to save it. And then you're going to locate over to your original document. So you can click on these little arrows to locate back to it. Test PDF page 1 is the one that I'm going to be going back to. So this is the one that I edited. I changed it from all black to all white. We'll just say that's the main reason. And then what we're going to do from here to save the actual file is click on File at the very top left. You're going to go down to Automate. And then you're going to go over to PDF Presentation. Now, after you hover over that, you're just going to go ahead and click it. When this opens up, don't worry too much about the settings. However, it is a multi-page document, so you just want to make sure that is selected. The background's white. You can add notes, that's fine. You don't have to. Leave the rest. Now, as you can see, there's a browse button. I don't suggest clicking that. That's why I had you open up the entire PDF at the beginning. You're going to go ahead and click on Add Open Files, that little checkbox at the top here. And now what you're going to do is it saves it ascending. So what we're going to do is take, let's see here, page 2, put that under page 1, page 3, under page 2, page 4. And again, it saves it from the top one being page 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, however many you have. You're just going to drag them in order. And then after you do that, you're going to go ahead and click Save. You name it whatever you want. You also want to save it to a spot that you know that you can access it. I'm just going to save it to my desktop for this case. I'm going to name it Test PDF New. I already had it, as you can tell from my last video that I had to redo. And then you're going to go ahead and click on the Save button. I'm just going to replace it, yes. Now for here, you don't have to mess around too much with the settings as far as compatibility and everything like that. If it's going to work on Acrobat 5 for me, because that was just the default one, it's definitely going to work on 10. You know what I mean? Because the more advanced it gets, the easier it is to read the prior older version. So in this case, all you have to do is click on this little drop-down box, and you're going to go to High Quality Print. That's what I suggest at least. Generally might be the top one. Now after you select that, you can leave all these, and then you go ahead and click on Save PDF. It's going to go ahead and save our PDF for us. In my case, it's going to save to the desktop, so I'm going to minimize out of this. I'm going to go to the PDF, and we're going to make sure that it opens and saved the way that I wanted it to. Yes, it did. So as you can see here, the first page is the all blank page, just like I wanted. And that's how you're going to save your PDF, folks. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like, go ahead and hit the subscribe key, hit the like button. I love you guys. I love my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much. You stay beautiful.